batid at angat tungo sa yaman ng bayan. So we first launched, of course, walang magpo-question. Nilunsad namin ang unang leg ng PBBM Gabay sa Ilocos Norte. So makikita nyo sa Ilocos Norte namin ang probinsya ng ating mahal na Pangulo. At makikita nyo dito ang aming sa dami ng mga participants noon. Mula po sa Ilocos, dinala natin ang programang ito sa Visayas sa pamamagitan ng caravan sa University of San Jose Recoletos by Basak Campus Gymnasium sa Cebu. Pero believe me if I tell you, this is the most populated PBBM Gabay PEPA na aming dinaluhan. So this is a good manifestation, the good leadership of our mayor at ang pagmamahal ng mga estudyante sa edukasyon. And then, ang susunod po ay pumunta kami from Cebu. We engaged with the students, parents, educators, returning OFW in General Santos for our Mindanao leg. Sa bawat lugar ng aming pinuntahan, iisa ang malinaw nating nakita. Napakaraming Pilipino ang may pangarap makapag-aral. Dinadala po namin ang Expanded Tertiary Education Equivalency Program. In-explain ko kay Mayor kanina, I hope that the number of enrollees now, it now goes to thousands, na sana yung mga nag-drop out ng college for different reasons, yung mga nag-graduate ng high school, nagtrabaho, kasi kailangan magtrabaho. The trifocal education system in the Philippines, Secretary Sani Angara, Secretary Kiko Benitez, and myself are now drawing a seamless pathway for everyone to get your college diploma. Kami po ay we never waver in going around the country amid the instruction, the executive order of economic crisis. Sabi namin, mas mahalaga ipalaganap ang magandang balita sa mga mamamayan because access alone is no longer enough. Students today need guidance. So I would like to commend our Chair Unifas, led by Attorney Septon, for taking the lead in organizing in every significant initiative in partnership with TEDRO NCR. As of today, there are 15,177 students, grantees, parents, and returning OFWs across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. 9,402 of these are 4-piece beneficiaries and have already benefited from the PBBM Gabay ng Bayan program through educational assistance. Through the PBBM Gabay ng Bayan programs, we continue to make available a comprehensive range of support mechanisms for incoming tertiary students, particularly under the Project PEPA, patuloy na edukasyon, patuloy na pag-ahon, including free higher education, tertiary education subsidy, tulong-dunong, and other STFA. At present, around 80% of the 256,000 of our scholars or beneficiaries are from DSWD listahan. Again, inuulit ko ang pasasalamat sa DSWD. At higit pa ito, sa ilalim ng bagong Pilipinas Merit Scholarship Program, ito po ay bagong scholarship program na itinatag ng ating Pangulo para po masundan ang pangarap ng mga batang Pilipino na kahit gusto nyong mag-aral sa pribadong university, De La Salle, Ateneo, UST, for as long as you graduate in the top 5 senior high school and you enroll to the 10 priority programs, that are hard to be filled in as identified by EDCOM 2, ang gobyerno ay sinusundan ang inyong mga pangarap. So kayong mga incoming mga nandito ngayon, kung may mga kapatid kayo na magswaswa sa qualification ng Bagong Pilipinas Scholarship Program, dalhin nyo na sila at magpa-admit sa pamantasan ng lungsod ng Valenzuela. Kasi at other universities, syempre uunahin nyo ang nandito kasi